Okay, today on Jamie and Vicky's cooking adventures, we're making some chili. I got a can of Rotel I put in there. I got a half a jug of vegetable juice that's in the pot with some chili powder, little red cayenne, and a little red pepper. And in this pan I got some, this is the meat stuff I'm adding, which is organic ground beef, pound of that, pound of Jimmy Dean hot sausage, and a pound of stew beef. And then those are the beans we're using, plus a can of corn. And do some onions and peppers, diced up real nice, and it's going to make an awesome tasting chili. Another shot of chili after I added the corn. This recipe is actually from my old pal Keith Evans, and it's his corn chili recipe, which I modified a little bit.
There's firming agents when you add your beans, so I always take the beans and put them in a strainer and rinse them off. You'll get a better flavor if you rinse that firming agent and other chemicals off your beans before you add them. And the sugar, of course. Nobody wants sugar in their chili.
Okay, just added a can of Hunt's whole peeled tomatoes. Take a little more tomatoey flavor, and because I like lots of tomatoes in my chili. And do a little stir here. Show you what this is going to look like. And let this simmer on the stove for at least an hour before we eat it, and then we'll season it to taste with maybe a little more cayenne pepper and more red pepper and maybe some more chili, until we get it just the way we like it. But boy, a lot of meat in that. This is a meaty chili. If you like a meaty, tomatoey chili, this is it. With a little color from the corn.
And don't forget.
Oh, and some shiitake mushroom.
This one's blue oyster.
Oh, that's blue oyster. Oh, I should have been able to tell that by this slight blue tint that I could barely see on the edges. Yeah, now I can see. I couldn't. We're gonna add a little blue oyster to it too, huh?
Yeah, this is our
6-day-old.
6 days. Grow your own. This is the blue oyster. This is one mushroom. We're going to add that to our chili. And one shiitake.
That we already added.
Yummy.
Let it simmer. Tell me that's not a meaty chili. And man, oh man, every time we eat this, it's better and better, this chili we made. And I thought it wasn't going to be as good with the vegetable juice, but it is as good or better than tomato juice or V8 juice. It is outstanding. As you can see, we made it. It was about 1 inch from the top of the cooking container, the pan, and now it's down about 3 inches. So we've just Vicky and I have eaten a bunch of this between yesterday and today. It's very, very tasty. Got just the right amount of spice to it. Excellent choice when the weather's cool like it's been here last few days.